So I'm a bit hear this a beat from when, and I never dare get touch it in a friend. But based on where I'm going to Jamaica, I'd have to dust off my book and drop your iPen. But don't feel like I fought on the beat for making a friend. Cause I'm on a double say a judgment. Alone fire, I'm on 40%. Now first thing on the agenda. And don't bother laugh, don't take this for fun. But how with the land of wood and water. And every year the matter with so we don't have none. I get I bringle with them fiber they out of them mouth. Jamaica. Prepare yourself for drought, but what drought? What are they talking about? When so much rain fall upon the land, but obviously them don't have a plan. Cause years upon years been a pass, and them still can't build enough dam. Them excuses like a money and resources, trying to insult our intelligence, when this should have been fixed by past and present governments. Well, and I feel like I want to tackle them corruption, cause this one been a gone from a ban. But you know what, the be kind of short, so I'm gonna go move on. Cause I want to tackle some of the beauty, who been a bust up beer can. I'm on say a judgment. We can't just sit around and watch what is going on. Cause every day them youth kill out the old, the middle age and the newborn. I just wanted them kill a little 3-year-old. And the whole Jamaica stress. When they say them youth are demon, them senseless and heartless. But I'm have a problem. I can't understand this I want to dread. Cause your people out there bad for them youth here. When them dead, it look like so them forget what the good book said. If you live by the sword, by the same sword, you shall dead. I man say a judgment. Or the martyrs are so quiet. When them things are going on the land. One time when they used to be the voice for the people. Now no mute, we can't understand. It's almost like when you forget so now the people them ears are not powers. But no, all I want to sing about right now who have the biggest gun, who have money and box of robbers. I man say a judgment. The people are about for justice, but justice never spit in our face. Cause up on God's green earth, the brother get charged for murder. In that case, of course, him a go prison. But how come enough in life? When the whole of Jamaica see how the man they deal with his wife, I man say a judgment. If it was a regular youth, it's a different thing you would have seen. They would have locked him up under the cell and dash with the key. But I'm gonna give him the 10 days to forget all the begs and move on to the next thing we're at. Like any man who walk a ground. Me say Jamaica stop. Jamaica stop. Jamaica stop. Me say a judgment.